Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth with Serendipity's Kitchen, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Finnish pancake. What you're looking at here, it's easy, it's simple, and it's delicious. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Take 1/4 cup of butter and put it into your oven-proof pan. Place it into the oven to melt. Then break 4 eggs into a mixing bowl and mix. Stir in 2½ cups of milk, a 1/4 cup of honey, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, mix everything together well, and then add 1 cup of flour. Mix again. I used a pastry whole wheat flour, and it tastes just fine, excellent in the mix. Remove your pan from the oven with the melted butter and pour your batter back into the pan. Place it into the oven and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Next, put about 2 to 2½ cups of heavy whipping cream into a bowl and mix it until you have soft peaks. Add powdered sugar to sweeten it and just a dash of vanilla. Then you can mix it some more or stir it with a spoon. Okay, let's check and see if our pancake is done. Give a little wiggle and see if it's set, and it looks great. See how puffy it got? In a little bit it'll settle and it won't be as puffy, but the first presentation of it is pretty dramatic. Dish it up onto a plate and top it with some strawberries and bananas, little maple syrup, or no maple syrup if you prefer. It's good either way. Add a dollop of whipped cream and you're ready to eat. I've also tried peaches on top. It's excellent. I don't really think you can go wrong. Most usually I serve it with bananas only, but sometimes it's nice to have that change, and so strawberries is a really nice addition. And then of course you can mix up your fruits like I did here, strawberries and bananas. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you've enjoyed this video, please take a moment to subscribe down below and click the notification bell. Thank you.